Waterjets are exceptionally good at cutting flat material. In fact, they're so good at it that it's easy to think that's all they can cut, but that's not true. It is possible to cut items with complex profiles, but that requires a bit more forethought. As a simple example of what it takes to cut metal that isn't flat, we decided to cut our logo out of angle iron. The pieces we started with were 4 inches wide on each side and 3/8 of an inch thick. This meant the logo would need to be modified to offset the foreshortening and perspective introduced by the angles. Alec and Scott made some modifications to the flat design that when cut into the angled metal would appear accurate from the center. The sides of the design would essentially have to be stretched to help create the optical illusion that the logo was correct when viewed from the front. The Waterjet is the cornerstone of Marin made and is an essential tool in the design and prototyping of every build. The Waterjet is powered by an ultra-high pressure pump that turns filtered water into 94,000 pounds per square inch of cutting power. To put that into perspective, the water in a kitchen sink has up to 80 psi, and a fire hose at full power can generate up to 1200 psi. Garnet is introduced to the stream in a specialized mixing chamber and exits the cutting head at roughly 4 times the speed of sound. This gives the Waterjet the capacity to cut a block of steel 12 inches thick. The residual energy from the system is dissipated in a catcher tank, which also stores the spent abrasive and kerf material. The Waterjet is capable of X, Y, and Z movements, which can produce incredibly intricate cuts that are highly accurate and repeatable. Waterjets can cut a variety of materials like steel, aluminum, and wood, as well as composites like concrete, plastic, and ceramics, to more unique materials such as glass, leather, and the occasional pumpkin. Great job, guys. The logo looks fantastic in angle iron. It seems the spent pieces have caught our attention. Perhaps another video?